Good morning, I'm Yvonne from Pree Designs. Today I'm going to show you a new product in the 2018-19 Stampin' Up catalogue. It's a set of embossing mats. Comes in a pack for $26 Australian with plus postage and handling. And in the pack you get a top plate and two silicone mats. The grey one is for embossing and cutting and the blue one is simply for embossing. You make a sandwich with some of your base plates. And here I'm just going to use this beautiful die. It's actually a Thinlits die. It's called Springtime Impressions, again in the new catalogue, and it comes with a butterfly and also a flower detail, as well as this beautiful floral detail. I've just attached it to my cardstock with a little piece of washi tape, and then I'll bring in my Big Shot so that I can show you how to build the plates. You're going to use your standard cutting plate, and just on tab 1. Now I've actually taken the other tab off because I've got two of these, so I have one with the 1 and 2 tab and then one with just the 1 tab. Then you're going to have your standard cutting plate on the top. You're then going to put your paper with your die on it upside down so that the cutting blades are facing up. Then on top of that, you're going to place the blue silicone mat, as that is the one for embossing, and then the white top plate that comes in the pack also. Then we'll simply run it through the Big Shot. It doesn't feel like very much is happening. Take the Big Shot away, if I can get that out. And then show you what it does. Take the plates off. And there you can see a beautiful embossed image. I hope you can see that, using the die. So not only do all of your dies now cut, but they also can emboss using this great little tool. I'm back now with my finished card. I've used some of the embellishments from the Share What You Love embellishment kit, with this, which is this beautiful silver rose. Some of the thread here is just a plain white shimmery thread out of that kit. A lovely little piece of the polka dot ribbon, and just pop that up there as well. And then I've layered the butterfly with So Saffron at the base, then Calypso Coral, Blushing Bride, and then also a little vellum butterfly in behind there, just to add some interest. The colour here is Soft Seafoam, and then the base card is Blushing Bride. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed watching my little video. If you would like any of these products, please go on to my online shop. Thank you.